Welcome back, students. This lesson is of class 6th for the subject of mathematics, chapter 1, number system, which is being submitted to you on 12th April 2021. Now children, let us discuss about estimation. In some situations, we need only a rough estimate of a number instead of the actual number. Estimation gives us an approximate answer which is very near to the correct answer, right? So, estimation is finding the closest value without actual counting or calculation. Now let us discuss an example. Suppose a bus ride takes 27 minutes. We can say that the bus ride took around 30 minutes. So we have just rounded off the minutes. Clear? Now see the second example. By just looking at the chocolates in a box, you can easily estimate how many chocolates are there in it. So, an estimate will always be only approximate, but it is an important tool for everyday life as it makes rough calculations faster and easier. So rounding off to the nearest tens, hundreds or thousands and so on, we follow the following rules. Rule number 1 is look at the digit at ones place of the given number. If it is, we have to convert into hundreds, then we see the digit at the tens place and so on. We always see the previous digit. Clear? If the digit at ones or tens or hundred or thousand place is less than 5, then replace the ones digit by 0 and keep all other digits of the number as they are. Clear? If the digit at ones place is 5 or greater than 5, then increase the tens digit by 1 and replace the ones digit by 0. Now children, let us discuss few examples. Now 368 rounded off to the nearest 10. Now see, at the tens place the digit is 6 and at ones place the digit is 8. Now in this case 8 is near to what? Now here 8 is more than 5, right? Now if the digit is more than 5, then this 68 will be near to 70 here. As per the rule, will increase the previous digit by 1. So 68 is near to 70. So 370 is the answer. Similarly, 310 rounded off to the nearest 100. The nearest 100. Now digit at the 100 place is 3 and the digit just before that, that is at the tens place is 1. Now 1 is less than 5. So what we have to do is, instead of this digit, we'll change this into 0. So the answer is 300. So 300 is nearest to 310. Students, here if we consider 400, then it is much far away from 310. Clear? Now, third part is 1577 to nearest thousand. Now, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So, just before thousand, that is at hundred place, it is 5. Now, as per the rule, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, we shift to the next. Clear? Now, 1577 is near to 2000. Clear? Now, next is 3205 to nearest thousand. Now, students, again you can see the digit at the hundred place is 2, which is less than 5. So, we just put zeros here. So, the answer is 3000. 3 and afterwards zeros. Clear? Now, the next is 24,360 to nearest 10,000. Now, this is ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Now, the digit at 1,000 place is 4, which is less than 0. Sorry, which is less than 5. So, what we have to do, we put zeros here and we increase the previous digit. We will not increase the previous digit, we will increase the previous digit if it is more than 5. So, we just put 0 here. So, the answer is 20,000. I hope it is clear to you. Students, remember here, if the digit is more than 5, then we have to increase the previous digit. And if it is less than 5, then we put zeros here. Right? Now, let us see one more example. 2891 to nearest 10. Now, here nearest 10 means let's see what is there at the unit place, or you can say ones place. So, here it is 1. Now, 1 is less than 5. So, instead of 1 here we put 0. And rest of the value is as it is. Clear? Now, the next is to the nearest 100. Now, ones, tens, 100. Now, the digit just before 100 place is 9. Now, 9 is greater than 5. Right? So, the previous digit, that is 8, will increase by 1. Now, 8 plus 1 is 9. So, this is 2900. I hope it is clear to everyone now. Okay, see one more. 2891 to the nearest 1000. Now, the digit just before 1000, that is at the 100 place, is 8, which is again greater than 5. So, therefore, before 8, the digit 2 will increase by 1. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. So, the answer here is 3000. Now, children, let us solve few questions from exercise 1D of your textbook. See, question number 1, third part is, now the value is 24,576 to nearest 1000. Now, here students, 4 is at the 1000 place. So, the digit just before 4 is 5. Now, as per the rule, if the digit is 5 or more than 5, then we add 1 to the previous digit. So, 4 plus 1 is 5. So, the answer is 25,000. Is it clear? Now, question number 2, first part is, now you have to convert or round it off the given number to nearest lakh. Now this is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. Now the digit at the lakh position is 1. And before that it is 6, which is again more than 5. So we have to add 1 to the given number before 6. That is 1 plus 1, 2. So the answer is now 3, 2 and then zeros. Is it clear? So it is 32 lakh. Now next is, now we have to round off to nearest 10 lakh. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 8. Right? Now the digit after 8 is 4, which is less than 5. So it will become 6, 8 and rest of the numbers will put zeros here. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now see next question. Question number 4. 173 plus 387 to nearest 10. Now let us take 173. Now 173 to nearest 10 will be 170. Why so? Because the digit at unit place is 3, which is less than, which is less than 5. So this 3 will become 0 here. Clear? Now 387 to nearest 10. Now the digit at the ones place is 7, which is greater than 5. So 7 will become 0 and the previous digit 8 will become 9. So it is 390. So 387 is nearest to 390. Now let's add up the two values. So the answer is 560. Clear? Now students, in the same way, we will do question number 5, third part, where we have to convert to nearest 100. Now 789 is nearest to 800. 235 is nearest to 200. Clear? So 800 plus 200, the answer is 1000. Clear? Now question number 9 is 76,964 minus 28,384 to nearest 1000. Now students, you can see that now this is ones, tens, 100,000. 6 is at the 1000 place. So the number just after 6 is 9. Now we have to increase 9 with the previous number, that is 6 with 1. 6 will become 7. So it is 77000. That is 77,000. Clear? Similarly, the next one, the digit at the 1000 place is 8 and at the 100 place is 3. 3 is less than 5. So 3, 8 and 4 will put 0 here. So it will become 28,000. Now let's add up the two values. So the answer is, after subtracting the two value, 49,000. Clear? Now see the next question. Question number 10 is, we have to multiply now 43 multiply by 58. Now 43 to nearest 10 is 40 and 58 to nearest 10 is 60. Now students, why so? Now you can see that 43 is lying between 40 and 50. Clear? So 43 is near to 40. Similarly, 58 is lying between 50 and 60. So 50 is near to 60 here. So that's why we have converted them. Now 40 multiplied by 60, the answer is 2400. I hope it is clear to you everyone now. Now see next question. Question number 11 is 167 divided by 36. Now students here, 167 to the nearest 100 is 200. In the same manner, that is 167 is lying between 100 and 200. So 167 is nearest to 200 here. Clear? And 36. Now 36 is lying between 30 and 40. Clear? So it is near to 40 here. So 200 divided by 40, the answer is 5. Is it clear to you? Now children, you have been given a detailed explanation of estimation of numbers. Now kindly go through all the examples given in your textbook and attempt the following questions in your maths register. So the questions from exercise 1C are question 3, 5, 7, 10, 12 and 18. Now questions from exercise 1D are question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now students, you are requested to do all the given parts in your maths register. And the remaining parts you can practice in your rough register. Clear? And the most important homework is learn and write tables from 2 to 15 in your maths register. That means you have to learn them as well as you have to write them in your register. Thank you everyone.